from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. So, still playing with lots of zucchini. So, more zucchini recipes. Today we're doing zucchini cakes or zucchini fritters, which is a really nice way to fry these up. They have a really good flavor with onion and the seasoning mix. The one caveat to this is zucchini holds a lot of water, so if you want nice crispy patties or cakes or fritters, what I do is I shred these down. I'm using my food processor, and along with the onion, and then I'm going to put it in a netting in a colander to let the water and moisture drain out. And I'm going to let it sit for like half an hour. And then we're going to squeeze as much of the excess moisture as we can out. And you'd be surprised how much that is. But let's get to it. So I've got a couple large zucchini, and I'm going to cut them in pieces that I can put in my food processor to grate. But I'm also going to deseed them. I don't like the big seeds in the big zucchini like this. I just want the flesh. A cup of flour, some pepper, a couple eggs, a medium-sized sweet onion, some salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. So while my zucchini is draining, I decided to throw in a little bit of parsley too because, well, I like parsley. We're just going to mix our dry ingredients together. When the zucchini is done draining, we'll add the eggs, and then we will be adding our dry mixture here. Make sure all that baking powder comes out. There we go. And we're just going to mix this up good. And you can add some other seasonings too if you want. You know, maybe some thyme, or if you want to make it a little smoky, or a little paprika, or a little cayenne, jazz it up a little bit more. But this is a good basic recipe. So that's ready for when our zucchini is. I've been letting my zucchini drain. We're going to try and squeeze out any more. Next I'm going to add in my couple beaten eggs. Just toss around. And then we're going to add in our flour mixture. Now you could use cornmeal in this too if you want to make fritters that way. That's another variation that I've used to make these. And we're just going to get these all mixed in and coated good. And then we're going to start frying them up. And the reason you add the baking powder to this, the baking powder will also help take out any, absorb any water was left in here. But we did a pretty good job of that. They're nice and dry. Okay, I think we're ready to start frying. Now for the taste test. And I like these with just a little bit of sour cream on top. Let's see how good that looks. You make a nice tahini sauce. It's good with cactus sauce, cucumber dill sauce. Not quite as good as potato cakes, but you know what? It's not far off. The nice thing about these is they're kid friendly as well. Most kids love them. You don't tell them what it is, they won't know. But they're delicious. Great way to make zucchini, especially to use up those bigger zucchini. Like I said, make sure you take out the seeds and the pulp in the middle. So you just have the flesh and then grate that down. And it does a great job. Make sure that you drain it, get all the moisture out. And see, they fry up really nice with a nice crispy exterior. It's the way to go. So there you go. There's another zucchini recipe for you.